A few days ago, someone asked me if it is possible to open an Etsy shop in 2022 or in 2023 for free. And I am here to tell you that yes, this is very possible, and I will show you exactly how you can create a digital product Etsy business for free. Some of the things that I will mention are free forever, and some other things can be used as free, but you have the option to upgrade. But strictly to start out, it is possible to have a perfectly good digital product Etsy shop for free. Before I tell you how, I would like to invite you to a free masterclass where I will talk about the 3 principles of creating passive income from digital products without the stress of knowing how and what to design. It is a free masterclass. It will be this Friday. There is a link in the description box and it will be the first pinned comment. Sign up and I will see you there to talk about the 3 principles that helped me make thousands each month from digital products. And without any further ado, let's talk about how to start an Etsy business for free. Very first thing that you will need, even before you open a shop account on Etsy, and that would be to have a bank account. Because somehow you will have to get paid when Etsy wants to send you the funds. You have 4 options regarding the payments from Etsy. You can set it up to get the money every day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. You can choose whichever you prefer. At the moment I have it set to weekly. But for a very long time I used the bi-weekly setting and that worked out fine for me as well. Then the next thing that you need is your Etsy account. And usually to list products on Etsy costs 20 cents per listing. But if you will use the link from the description down below, you can receive 43 Etsy listings. That is a really good amount of listings to start out with, and these listings will be live in your Etsy shop for 4 months. This way you can save yourself about $20 if you use my link from the description. And yes, that's $20 less that you have to spend to start your Etsy business that otherwise you would have to. The third element to start a digital product Etsy business are the listings themselves. How do you create these? Well, in some countries, including Romania, many people use a pirated version of one of the Adobe programs. Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, it doesn't matter. I do not recommend this. It does not cost that much, and if you would like to use Adobe products, then you can pay $10 to $12 a month for them. But there is a free way to create digital products for Etsy, and these can be also editable ones. And that would be with the help of Canva. Canva has a great free account with many design resources and options, and I believe they have over 250,000 templates as well. This is only in the free account. In the pro account, of course, they have lots and lots of more, and you have access to graphics and images and some other perks as well. If you choose, you can have a free Canva account forever. They will not change that. But if you would like to upgrade to the Pro version, then I have a link in the description down below where you can have a 30-day free trial for the Pro version. You can try it out, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it. Just make sure that you don't use Pro elements in your designs because they will not be accessible if you cancel your Pro subscription. With the free version, you can also upload your own design elements, the clip art you have that you created, SVGs that you created, anything, and you will be able to use those for free in your designs. They also have some cute options for shop banners and branding your shops and creating logos, so you don't have to struggle by creating banners, logos, any of that type. You can just simply use Canva's resource library and you will have a professional looking shop on Etsy because your branding, your logo and your colors will be all on point. Then after you opened your Etsy shop, you created your products, now it's time to optimize them for the Etsy search and for the Etsy algorithm. And this brings me to my next resource, and that would be the tutorials here on YouTube. Also on my channel you can find lots of tutorials regarding Etsy marketing and Etsy SEO and optimization, but also on other channels as well, and these videos are all free to watch. So this is a great resource if you would like to get tips on how to optimize your listings for free. But if you would like some extra help with that, I have another tool for you. And this tool offers a 3-day free trial, so you do not have to commit to it. If you don't like it, you do not have to use it anymore and just cancel it. And that would be Sales Samurai. You just enter your keyword into Sales Samurai. It will guide you through how to optimize your listings for the best results possible on Etsy. It will show you keywords, text suggestions, it will show you your competitors and what are they using, and the search volumes, how good of a keyword it is, and lots of other very useful and very valuable things. The link is down below in the description, and you can also get 20% off Sales Samurai with the code MSE. And I have another special offer for you from Sales Samurai. Now they are running a Black Friday deal. They are offering a 6-month subscription to Sales Samurai for only $49. This is a big discount, but if you use my code MSE, you will get another 20% off of that, so you will get access to Sales Samurai for 6 months for only $39.99. This is a very good offer, and I think that you should take advantage of it, and if you don't like it, you can always cancel at the end. All of the tools that I mentioned I use on a daily basis, so I can attest that they are very good, and Canva became my #1 go-to design software these days, between listing images, creating products, YouTube thumbnails, and everything. And Sales Samurai helped me optimize some of my listings so that I would get more sales. That would be for today's video. Don't forget to sign up to the free masterclass that I am hosting. It is packed full of valuable and actionable tips and tricks that you can implement in your own Etsy shop, and I would really encourage you to sign up for it. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about Etsy, digital products, some more Etsy, making money online, making money on Etsy, and so on. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!